Hi. Today I will talk about beekeeping supplies, best 7 beehive supply companies for apiary. Once beekeeping supplies were very difficult to find, but nowadays, it is very easy to get beehive products at home regardless of wherever you, and with the help of advanced technology. Here, we have mentioned 7 companies that supply beehive products worldwide, and their products are the best quality. These 7 beekeeping supply companies are also most famous in the UK and USA. We have provided their contact information to help you contact them easily. Remember, better supplies will help you to keep your bees healthy, be an efficient beekeeper and make your business profitable. Number 1. Amazon is one of the best online places for buying beehive supplies. There are lots and all kinds of supplies you can get here. Personally, I appreciate their return policy. Few days before, I ordered a gold coin from Amazon, and it was missing anyway. I claim that I never received this item. They refund the money without asking any further question. I was very much happy while received the refund without hassle. To learn more, or to find something, please visit our website thebeinfo.com. It's a world-famous online store enable you to buy anything from your home. So, you can find there everything including beekeeping supplies. Number 2. Man Lake offers best quality beehive tools or products because it's real and direct manufacturer. You will also get the best or highest bee products or supplies for direct competitive prices. It offers equipment for the newbie hobbyists and professional industries. Number 3. Brushy Mountain Bee Farm is a total and well-established beekeeping supply company. They also supply for the newbie and the professional beekeepers. Contact number is available in our website thebeinfo.com. Number 4. eBay is similar to Amazon and you can compare the prices between them, read consumers' review, and decide the best one to buy. Probably you'll prefer Amazon for availability of multiple brands, several buying options and comfortable return policy. Number 5. Thorn is loaded with only beehive products for the new beekeepers and advanced beekeepers. They have been manufacturing beekeeping products over 100 of years. Their beehive supplies are proudly dominating the beekeeping industries. Number 6. Better Bee Incorporated is a wholesale and retail business for beehive supplies. It is situated in Greenwich, New York. Its principal is Dr. Chris Cripps, who has 25 years of experience in beekeeping business. So, he can advise to design the beehive supplies according to size and situation of your apiary. Number 7. Dayton & Sons have been manufacturing the best quality products or supplies since 1863. It's also the oldest and largest beekeeping supply company in America. I personally recommend Amazon for beekeeping supplies and honeybee products. They have millions of suppliers to make available multiple brands to choose from. You can perform your own research before buying any item from Amazon. Read consumers' review, compare price, and watch video on how to use it. These type of all facilities are not available in other suppliers' sites. Their return policy and guarantee of timely supply are attractive. So, you can depend on them for your new beekeeping business or existing projects. Even if beekeeping is your hobby, you can order a small quantity. For contacting any of the companies discussed here, visit our website to get contact information, check the brands of supplier and determine if they meet your needs. If everything looks good, order the items necessary for your beekeeping project. Remember, proper tools and equipment will make you an efficient technician and ultimately you'll get more products. That's all. Every week we try to share some new information on beekeeping. If you don't like to miss out, please subscribe to our channel. Again, thanks for staying with us. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Please click the link in description to know more. Bye.